Start.
Okay, so hello, welcome all to the focus group discussion. As you all know, we are here for the BRM focus group discussion. The topic we have on hand is safety of women in Delhi Metro. It's myself, Aryan Jain, and Mohammad Atif who will be coordinating this session. So let's start by introducing yourself, and that we will get to the agenda at hand. So,
Hi, I'm Shreyansh Dhariwal. I'm basically from Bhopal and I've been in Delhi since last 8 months.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya and I am from Bhopal in PR and I have been staying in Delhi for past 8 months.
Hi, I'm Shivangi. I'm from Uttarakhand and I've been in Delhi for the past 8 years.
I'm Srinivas coming from Chennai. I'm staying in Delhi for the past 8 months.
okay, so let's just focus group discussion start by providing what's your perception on the safety of women in Delhi Metro. How safe you consider Delhi Metro is for women?
So, I have traveled in Delhi Metro for only 5 to 10 times, but I find it quite safe. But earlier I was in Mumbai and I travelled there mostly in local trains. So, in comparison to Mumbai, I find Mumbai local trains were much safer than Delhi metro trains because in Mumbai the crowd used to travel till late night 1 o'clock, and women were felt very safe while traveling, and also there were security guards allotted in every train, especially at night. But in Delhi, the time is also less, and the Delhi metro trains commute till only 11, and there have been cases which I've been hearing about the safety issues for women in Delhi metro.
Okay, so I haven't used Delhi Metro as much. I have been to Delhi Metro only twice, but still my perception is that it is not very safe. The reason is that the kind of news and the events which has been happened in the past 4 to 5 years, and still the news which is going out in the recent news regarding Uber cabs. So Delhi as a whole, I don't feel it's a safe place. So I don't think Delhi Metro is safe. In the two visits which in the 2 days which I have used Delhi Metro, I find that there is security guards only at the entrance. Apart from that, you don't find security personnel in and around the premise or inside the train. So that is not something which I expected.
Okay, so as a frequent tire in the Delhi Metro, I personally feel that Delhi Metro is not very safe. Not that I'm trying to say that it's very unsafe and I would not want to travel in Delhi Metro at all. But my point is that it's not very safe per se, that I do not feel 100% safe traveling in the Delhi Metro, and especially traveling in the normal coaches which are, where men and women travel together and which are not specifically booked for women, like the first coach. So it becomes very difficult as a woman to travel on such coaches, especially at peak hours when there's a lot of rush and there's a lot of there's a hell lot of crowd inside the coach, because that gives people inside the coach, they take advantage of the situation, advantage of the crowd, and a lot of nuisance happens inside those coaches. So as a woman, I do not feel very safe traveling in those coaches.
As you all know, Delhi metro station is the most safest and convenient way of traveling for the commuters because recently the number of incidents of road accidents have been reportedly reduced because commuters they are taking the alternative, that is the Delhi metro, and so it's the most safest and convenient. But the recent reports of teasing and molestation cases have been so much alarming that have been so much alarming, and even though a separate single coach has been allocated for the exclusively for women at the in the railway coaches, still incidents happen, and stalkers are also they are also reported creating nuisance in Delhi metro. So I think recently, there is issue of women's safety to be addressed, and the concerned authorities have to take account of this.
So we discussed about Delhi Metro. What about the area nearby or surrounding Delhi Metro? What is the security concern there?
As you all know, security, pertaining to the security officials, security officials from Central Industrial Security Forces, they have been deployed in all the railway coaches. but still the incidents happen. And even though CCTV cameras they have been installed in all the coaches, still there is no close monitoring happening in the control rooms, and security personnel, they are also not so much involved. They are not so much responsible. I mean, they are not so accountable in taking these issues to the concerned authorities. So I think security officials and the CCTV monitoring, they are the main areas where security has to be more. It has to be up there.
Okay, so talking about areas around the metro stations, I personally feel that when I speak about security inside the Delhi Metro, that is at a better position from the security in the metro stations and around the areas around the metro stations. Especially if I talk about if I talk about areas around West Delhi and East Delhi, where a lot of metro stations are located at secluded places and near slum areas. So security is a major concern at such areas, and because inside the metro stations it is still regulated till some extent, but when it comes to the metro stations, there are a lot of rickshaw pullers, there are a lot of auto drivers, and other people who are just standing near the entrance of the metro stations, and which make the premises very unsafe for women, especially at late night hours when we need to travel, when traveling from the metro station to our homes becomes a challenge for us, and we either have to call someone from our houses to pick us up, or if we have to travel on our own, then it's a we are traumatized all through our way home. So yeah, that is, I think, one concern that should be addressed, and yeah, that's what.
Stop.
Uh,